Alright, what up everybody, and welcome back to another video. So this video, we're going to be doing some coding. So it's been a while, it's been like a couple months since I posted my last video, and that's because I have been studying at university. It's my third year, so don't expect a lot of videos. Expect some videos on Thanksgiving and Christmas. But right now I have some time between, no, actually this is probably my only day I can actually post videos. So this is going to be one video. Alright. I could just probably wait and post this on Thanksgiving, but I'm not going to do that. But anyways, so let's get started. So we got this going, and I'm whole. Okay, so I've been messing around with. Okay, so I don't have a lot of time, and so actually probably my desktop. So I had to come up with a thing on the fly, and I think it's another. And what is it? Okay, here's Linux, and go to Res, then go to Entity. Here it is. Okay, so I got a new spreadsheet. It's not a new one, it's actually just an updated version of the spreadsheet. So I should put that in Entity. Just gonna say okay for that, overwrite it, yeah. Let's look at it. So yeah, I just added this frame here, or this this sprite layer, or whatever, I don't know. I can't think right now. But yeah, just a falling animation. So we're gonna work with the falling animation. Next video we're doing enemy and AI stuff, but this video is just falling, and so of course we need a new protected boolean called fallen, I guess, past tense, and we do not need it. Yeah, probably. Just check over here real quick. Whatever. So we're going to use this in our what's it called? Well, we don't need it. Screw it. Because enemy is not good. Yeah, it's going to be okay. It's protected, so we might use it actually, but right now we don't need it. We're not going to have a setter for it. That's what I'm talking about. Okay, so fallen, and if the current animation, oops, that's not right. If the current animation is not equal to 4, which I guess would be the fallen animation. So we'll do that. Dot get delays not equal to 1. And then we can say set animation, so it's 4, of course. You know what? You gotta be consistent, right? Man, I can. Alright. Okay, that makes a little bit more sense. Okay, private. Whoops, that's not right. I just spelled it wrong. Private. Oh my gosh. Final int fallen is equal to 4. Cool. Now we can go all the way back down and use the fallen. And then you can see so animation fallen. Then we can go to sprite, dot get sprite array. Then it'll be the fallen, right? Because that's how we do it. Then 15. And I know it's been a while between videos, so if you forgot, this is the 4th, I don't know, like subsection? I don't know. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, so that's how we do that. Yeah, so I think that's it for the entity class. That's all we have to do. So in player class, we're going to have to do some stuff. So here, why do I have that? So I've been looking at this code, and I'm thinking about like redoing a lot of it. Well, not a lot of it, but like maybe not actually any of it, because lazy reasons. which is not good. Okay, I'll update it in future. And has played once, I think. Does that exist? Does that actually exist? Do we actually have that? We do. All right, cool. Reset position. So that's gonna be a function that we're gonna make in a second here. Then fallen is equal to false. So basically, if we have not fallen, then we can move. But if we have fallen, then just do the fallen animation. If we, I mean, it's true. Okay, we all get that, right? Hopefully. Let's go back to Entity real quick. Cool. Else is fallen. Yep. All right. So we're gonna say reset position. So private void reset position, and then we're gonna have like a system like debug thing. Just call it resetting player. We have that. Then we could say .x to the game panel .width divided by 2 minus 32. So we're like manually, what's wrong with this? Cannot resolve. Why not? Why is that a thing? Play state .map.x is equal to 0. My dog's going nuts. It's like running around. Game panel .height, of course, and divide that by 2 minus 32. Then we have the play state. Oh my gosh, dog. Calm down, my puppy. So yeah, we have that. And that resolved itself, I guess, because it just added it. Can I see my imports, please? There it is. Okay. What else we gotta do? Well, we gotta set fallen to true at some point. So, and also we gotta stop the user from actually using this part. So if fallen, and you can't move, obviously, because we don't want you to move. That'd be weird. Can you attack while fallen? No, cannot even attack. And then just roll that out. There we go. And then we say, here's the else statement here. We just go up is equal to false, and then down is equal to false, and then right is equal to false, and then left is also equal to false. Definitely false. And then we're good there. We're pretty good. We're kind of solid. Let's go all the way back. Okay, so where's the? Okay, yeah, we do. We have to. Okay, we can easily do this. So here we're gonna have a public void set fallen. It's gonna be int. Oh no, we're returning. So, oh no, we are. So die. No, we're not. What are we doing? It's a boolean. So, okay, yeah, that makes sense. It's a boolean. Okay. So that's what we're trying to do. I don't know what I'm thinking. So fallen is equal to b. Wait, that. There you go. And that should be fine. Missing return statement. Oh shoot, void. There we go. And then, do we have tile collision? Where did it go? Did it go under its own package? Or is it still in the AABB class? I think it might be. Oh, it still is! Why is it? Why haven't we made like a whole... We didn't... Okay. I'm gonna change this. This is the thing I'm gonna change. I'm gonna say new, and then I'm gonna say Java class tile collision. So I don't feel comfortable with that being inside the AABB class. so we don't have to worry about that. And ABV plus, just take all of this stuff. And oh, we're gonna have to change a couple of things actually. And we're definitely gonna change that. And here it is, and just paste it. Yeah. Wait. So we need a position as well. So import con dot Julius dot game dot utils dot vector 2f, and we also need to import com dot Julius dot game. Hold up. Hold on. Just a second here. Like, okay, if we could do it like this. So this is for that. We might not use that. Import Julius dot game dot graphics dot sprite. I think it's a lot better to do it this way, because then we can have a constructor called, of course, tile collision, because it's a pretty good constructor. That's funny. Alright, and have an entity called E. Then we have a thingy called private entity E, and then another private block, because we do use that, called block. And here we just say this, this dot E is equal to E, which is cool. And then here, say E dot get bounds dot, and then let's say get position, get pos. There we go. And that's situated nicely. Dot, and you get bounds, then dot get width. Haha. Then dot get bounds dot get the x offset. It's just very hard sometimes. Okay, same thing here. We'll get that ready. Dot get bounds dot get, and then here same thing. Dot get bounds get height. I don't know if this is the best way to do it, to be honest, but it's one way to do it, that's for sure. Cool, and then we return this, which we don't. We return E dot get bounds, because that's an A. So then here we do exactly something. E dot get bounds dot get pos, right? E dot get bounds dot get x offsets. Is it x offset? Or is it width? This is the width. Okay, yeah, it is. Okay, dot get bounds dot get width. Cool. E dot get bounds dot get height. So that's what we're looking for, right? And then here we're doing E dot get bounds dot get the y offset. And go all the way down here to E dot get bounds dot get pos. Oh, and then we have to return E dot get bounds. And then hold up. Update it. You know, I feel like this. Because, like. Could we do this, and then we do e dot get bounds here, then have e dot. I don't know if this really does anything. Like, and then turn false, and then here we have the else statement. Else if actually, so else if, and then we just say this. What was it? Basically this thing. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. That seems better. And then here we don't need an else. Something good like that. And then here just be wow. Yeah. Okay, hold on. You know what? Screw this for a second. Screw that. And we're going to do e dot get bounds dot get position dot x block dot get position dot x. Can we do that? No. Can't. Because a block. Where's block? Block here. Okay, we'll deal with that later. Set font is true. Then return false here. And then p dot set fallen to false. That would be probably best. And then something to block. So get pause. Guess we could just do it here, could we? Public get pause. Or vector 2f. Return pause. Do it that way. How do you feel about that? Alright. Okay. So I don't know if that's better or worse, or just nothing changed. I'm leaning toward just nothing really changed, efficiency wise. There we go. Do we even need this? Cushion tile, we are going to use it. Because player, where's entity? Players. So, where do we use it? We use it here. And now it's not in there anymore. So, we're going to have to say, it's a tile. So like, no, I don't want to do that. Alright, so we're gonna do it. I have to do it. I mean, it's just one more line, well, a couple more lines, but TC. So now we can just go back to player and be like TC. Yeah. But like because it does, because we do need to like, yeah, we do. Yeah, of course we do. Okay. See that? That makes more sense. TC is equal to new tile collision, this, and we'd be good. We should be good. So then we go to player, and then everything would probably work out fine. Yeah. And we don't have enemy class yet, but the next video we will be doing an enemy class. but I think we're kind of done. I think this will run pretty well. Let's see if it does. Okay, so it runs, and we can still move and all that jazz, and we just get in here, and we fall. Oh, we reset, but we, okay, that's kind of weird. And we fall down. Bam, but we're still in that animation. Alright, so then all we gotta do is just say, hey, we gotta redo the animation, like go back to the reset. So, right sprite get sprite array, and right, of course, and then time delay. Yep. Oh, we don't. It's not protected. I mean, okay. I'm making everything protected now. Oh my gosh. I guess strong association. Is that a thing? No, that isn't. It's just my game launcher. And then we should be good. Okay, so we're going to fall between these two tiles. We do, and bam. And also, what happens if we do 3 tiles? Oh no! That's not cool. 3 tiles is where it crashes. That's stupid. Alright, we're gonna have to look into that. Alright, so that's it for this video. I didn't explain a lot, so my bad. It's kind of straightforward because we did animations and stuff before, so I don't think I had to explain a lot. Just had to follow along. However, the thing that changed was the tile collision. Everything was basically the same. So basically the idea was, we don't even need this block. Basically the idea was I didn't feel comfortable with the tile collision being in the AABB class, so I changed it and have its own class. And its only constructor is the entity, this tile constructor thing. All I have to do is pass in the entity and we'll be fine. We just replace everything with the entities and stuff. So yeah, basically that's it. Actually, we might have to change some of this stuff here, because yeah, we have to change that. Actually, or do we? No, we don't. It's fine. I mean, it works, but like it doesn't work when you do 3. We're trying to collide into like 3 tiles, whole tiles. So this is the problem over here too. So yeah, I mean, it's probably a good. I don't know if this is a good way to do it, but I mean, it's only that. It doesn't take too much. So the thing here is, I was just trying to get fallen set to true, and I didn't really understand my previous code that well, so I was just like, you know what, I'm just gonna screw everything and just change it a little bit. So yeah, check if block is inside the bounds, and then if it is, just set fallen to true. Kind of simple. Then else if that's not, then we check the neighbor, and if it's true, then we just, or you know, if the bounds is greater than the block bounds, then we just set fallen true, else it's just false. But of course we check to see if there is such a block before actually returning that. Then if all this fails, we'll just return false, return false. And here I return false here, but we return true, because we really want to set fallen here and not really the collision hole, because collision hole is here. This is going to be returned here. And if this is true, then it would just automatically just get out of this loop and not actually return the actual update, because we really want the block to update before actually returning. So yeah, so that's kind of a cheesy way to do it, to get out of that situation. So basically we could just make this void and not have it return anything. Yeah, it's basically what we could do, and I think it will probably work. I say I think because I haven't tested it, so I mean, I'm like 90% sure, 100% sure. But yeah, anyways, thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next video, which will probably be Thanksgiving. So. Cool.